This is a Garia City Cart made by Club Car. Well, it's owned by Club Car now. If you're looking to turn off the pedestrian alert device, you know, the humming sound that they're required to make by law, like most electric cars, come underneath the driver's side. Underneath here, right there. We've covered it up because the customer wants it to be quieter. But you can just put tape on it, but there's a speaker box right here that you can actually disconnect. There's a little wire under there. Of course, I can't find it. But there, you know, the wiring harness is right underneath here, and you can just disconnect the speaker if you don't want it at all. Otherwise, you can just put electrical tape over it and quieten it down if that's all you want. Check out the playlist channel. We got tons of videos about golf carts, motocross bikes, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, Harleys, classic cars, all kinds of cool stuff on our channel. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.